Only 5 simple exercises and just 5 minutes a day before bed. Fat burn exercises that will curb your abs at home. Fitness Facts has created a workout plan that will tone your belly and make it flat. You don't need any special equipment. Seated knee tucks. Sit down, your hands on the mat, your legs full extended. Bend your legs and bring your knees towards your chest. Repeat this move 10 times. Leg raise. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides. Keep your legs together and slowly lift them up at a 90-degree angle from the floor, hinging from the hips. Slowly lower your legs back down. Hold that position for a second before lifting your legs back up. Heel touchers. Lie on your back, keep your knees bent, arms at the sides, and keep your back and feet flat on the floor. Move forward to the left side and touch your left hand to left heel. Move forward to the right side and touch your right hand to right heel. Scissors. Lie on your back with hands on your sides, palms down and leg extended. Lift your legs and cross the right thigh over left thigh and then reverse it and do same. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back with your legs stretched out and your hands touching your ears. Raise your right knee towards your chest. Lift your upper body up and twist so right knee and left elbow meet. Lower yourself back down to the starting position. Do the same with left knee and right elbow. Increase your repeats by increment of 5 each week.